I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to do the powerful combination with Ollama OMP and Nemotron 3 for Nemotron 3 Super for pre-coding. So opening their command prompt. Now let's use their CLS. So if I write their Ollama -- version. So you can see 13 version that install. If I write their OMP -- version. So you can see 16 version that install. Now the next is let's write their Ollama and wait for few second times. So wait for few second times. Now this all that's come there. So if you scroll down, then you can chat with model, Cloudy code, this, there. Now if you scroll down, then you can get this OMP. Click on this right arrow, then you can get this recommended models. So let's use the Nemotron 3 Super. Press enter and this here checking OMP web search plugins. And here you need to wait for a few seconds. So this is now installing the Ollama by web search. So this here path 1. Don't worry about this one. This that's come there. Here you can see Nemotron 3 Super and there I'm using the OMP with Ollama. Let's test with the hello. So this is working and this returning there. Hello, how can I assist you today? So how to learn big data? So you can ask any question, any query there according to your requirement. And this is working, this returning there. Core concept, essential, learning path, this all returning. Apache Spark, Hadoop, this is there. Like this, you can ask any question. So this is how we can do the Ollama OMP Nemotron 3 Super for pre-coding. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.